How to create Kalshi account and make money. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create an account on Kalshi and make money. So let's get started. First of all, you're going to head over to App Store or Google Play Store and simply search for Kalshi. So this is the application that you need. Basically, Kalshi is a global app that's accessible in more than 140 countries, and it lets you participate in markets related events such as cryptocurrencies, tech trends, and even some fun or unconventional topics. One of the best parts is that there's no cost to download or use the app. So you gotta simply download the application, open it, and when you're logging in for the first time, you'll be prompted to log in with your Google account, Apple account, or your Facebook account. The setup is quick. You just confirm your email and that's it. Once you're signed in, you'll land directly on the home dashboard, which is where everything starts. So over here at the bottom, you'll be able to see explore, live, fun, search, and ideas. At the top, you'll be able to see numerous items and numerous events where you can trade. So, for example, if you're going to click on politics, you can trade on any kind of politic-related stuff. And over here at the bottom, you'll be able to see funds. So within funds, you could add your funds in your account. For example, there are different methods by which you can fund your account, such as Apple Pay, bank transfer, card, crypto, wire transfer. Right now, the best ones are bank transfer and crypto because the fees are not that much. So once your account is funded, you can tap on live market section to see active opportunities in real time. Simply choose a category and you can simply open the market, and then you gotta type in the potential payout based on your investment. So for example, if you stake $100, the app clearly shows that your return would be your prediction. So there's $126 payout. If right, this is the predicted payout. You can choose between yes or no if you want, whether you want the yes no position, and you're also able to adjust your odds. If you prefer, you can switch from dollar amount to shared. You can click on dollar over here at the top right, and then you can simply click on buy in shares by buying a fixed number of shares. You can do that as well. Now, when it comes to strategy, the safest approach on Kalshi is to focus on markets with extremely high probability outcomes. So instead of chasing big payouts, many users aim for smaller, more consistent gains. For instance, if a market shows a 90% probability for a no outcome, that's generally a safer position compared to risking money on the lower probability method. So this method won't make you rich overnight, but with discipline and consistency, it can help reduce unnecessary risk. The key is sticking to high confidence markets rather than gambling on unlikely outcomes. And if you're looking for something specific, you can use the search feature to quickly filter markets or bookmark your favorite ones for easier access later. So that's it for today's tutorial. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.